Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a trip, hotel, or basically anything on the booking.com website that you would like to add to your favorites or save for later. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, and after that you should go to your home page and tap on either stays, flights, car rentals, attractions, or anything that you would like to save. And after finding the hotel, trip, or deal, you should tap on this heart icon, and as you can see it has been saved to the my next trip section. But if you want to create a new list, just tap on this create a new list button, and then you should type in the name of your of this new category. But here if you tap on it, you can find the items added to this section. If you want to, you can get rid of it by tapping on the X button, and then it will be removed from this section, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.